Now, gentlemen, we are here in Bashi Plant Control Panel. We are here to rectify missile door open and close. This is another Bashi plant. This is Aquarius Bashi plant. And here is the drawing. So we are just encouraging you to subscribe to our channel so that you have one or two ideas on how to solve your electrical problem. This is the drawing. This is the drawing. This is the plant drawing. So right now, and then we want to troubleshoot this panel. The missile door is not opening. This is what you do. Just simply turn to the page. Turn to the page. This is the DEX setup system. You'll be turning. You will see how to identify, how to locate the page. First and foremost, when we say the missile door is not opening, is using electric motor, and there's an hydraulic system attached to it that is drawing the cylinder out. So just look for the hydraulic motor. Okay, these are motor. You can see this is electric motor. This is M1. You just have to look. This is beam vibrator. Beam vibrator 2. This is smart vibrator. All these are motor. Okay, so you have to turn to the page and look for the hydraulic motor. So this is smart screw motor. We are not looking for smart screw motor. This is it. This smart screw motor. Smart screw motor 2. But we are not having issue with our smart screw. So we go. You turn to the next page. This is additive pump 1, but we don't have any issue with the additive pump. So we are going. So this is compressor. This is the compressor motor. So our compressor is working. We don't have any issue. We don't have any issue with our compressor. So let me turn this phone off. We don't have any issue with our compressor. Our compressor is working. We have hydraulic pump. Thank you. Our hydraulic pump is the one controlling the missile door open and close. Yes, our attention will focus here, and we also have other pump here. You can other motor here. You can see this sign is showing this is motor. This is motor. Water pump. Our water pump is not having any issue, but our hydraulic pump is having issue. But you can't tell if it's the hydraulic motor that is having a issue or the hydraulic pump is having issue. But now there are so many processes that before you get to this hydraulic motor for you to confirm. We have the MCB. Please come. Here is the MCB 2210 amps. So let's go and check. This is MCB. Can you see here? This is our MCB. So first and foremost, you carry your multimeter to check if there is voltage, if there is supply, if your breaker is okay. You can see. Then under is B53, Y53, arrow 53. So you can see we are here. This is B53. Can you see? B53, Y53, B53, Y53, and arrow 53. So when you check my drawing, you can see under is B53, Y53, and arrow 53. So that takes us. They say this is the MCB. Now we are going to overload. We are going to overload and the contactor. The overload and contactor after the MCB, you get to contactor. So we are going to trace our fault here. Then after that, if all this unit, if there is voltage in all this unit and everything is working here, so you need to go outside. We have a solenoid. We have two solenoid there. We have a solenoid for opening and a solenoid for closing. So this page, we are also going to teach you how to. At this page, we refer you. This page is going to refer you. You see? Okay, let's see. This page will refer you to another page. We are going to teach you. This page is referring you to 11 of 1. Okay, can you see 11 of 1 is referring to 11 of 1. We are going to be teaching you how to interpret and digest your drawing. So subscribe to this channel. As we progress for the troubleshooting, we are also going to post it and tell you how we rectify this issue. Thank you. So right now I'm using my multimeter to test. I'm with multimeter here. Okay, this is my multimeter. We are going to start the troubleshooting. Okay. Wow, they have cut the number of codes. So now, okay, you can see so can you see I'm going to turn on my meter. This is voltage. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, it's coming up. So as I said, we are going to carry out reading. You have to test the voltage here to see that it's giving 220. Okay. So you can cut.